waterfall.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.
This is a good place. Having this little shed to eat in, dry stuff, put your kit together. Just about to go. Beautiful day. There's reception. These are car campers.
Welcome.
To get back to the trail, we just have to cross the road and go on this path that's beside the road. So the path from the caravan park back to the Southern Upland Way is actually the old Southern Upland Way. They moved it for some reason a long time ago. So we have this nice extra bit of path. And we have more of these little stones. So 1.2k from the campsite, and we get back to the bridge over the River Cree and onto the path again.
We had quite a lot of rain last night, so the river's up a little bit maybe.
Good morning, day 4. Had a fantastic night last night at the caravan place. They have this shed that's only for people who pitch tents, and electricity, washing facilities, you know, all sorts of stuff, so that's brilliant. And we also missed the storm. We got there and the storm happened, and now we're just making our way following the River Cree. Oh, except we have to go up. And yeah, we have a day today following various rivers and ending up hopefully at the Bothy. So let's see where the rest of the day takes us. So finally found a bit of a path going up the side of the hill away from the river. Quite nice. We've got beech, we've got some oak, we've got fir. Stream crossing, yes. Don't see many of these, but I can see why they've got it. Pop out, lovely little bridge, view in the distance, and we go down here. We're back down to the river, but it's flowing pretty fast. Heading towards those hills. We missed the confluence of two rivers, but this is a river going the other way. Quite high speed. Long section just walking through this lowland wooded area on quite wide paths. Back to the roar of the river. We went away from it for a while, and now we've come back to it, and we should get some good views. a style. This is our first big reference point for the day. It's a bridge where we have a confluence of two rivers. So, whew. Walking by the Water of Trool. Down the river valley, the hills off to your right. Okay, another big slug. How many videos can you take? But look at the speed of the water. We're miles from anywhere, and somebody locally has put a bench in. This little bit is not on our route, but it's a bridge going over some very fast water. We're now on a manicured path beside the Water of Trool. There's a visitor centre and lots of loops. Having seen nobody for quite a few days, we're now seeing some people on this little path. There you go, basically you meet. We're supposed to have 45-mile-an-hour winds today. They're certainly strong. Dropping down to Loch Trool. Still on these beautiful paths. The western end of Loch Trool. It's a long way off. You can just about see a stone, Bruce's stone. Coming to the eastern end of the loch, and then we head off over a saddle. The end of the loch. Haven't seen one for quite a time, and now we get one. Wow, coming over that edge. I can see where all those bushes are. That's the route we're taking. Pass through those hills. Just took my phone out to film a gust, but it took my hat off and blew me over. Here comes another gust. That's strong. A little bit of respite. The Caravan got blown over, so suddenly a mobile thought it was an emergency. so we had to turn off that. It's where we meet up with the alternate and continue on our way to White Laggan. Another noisy waterfall. And we happen upon the next loch. But I've just noticed this stone with carving all over it. Loch Dee, close to where we're going to stay, probably near those trees on the right. No signs anywhere. Then we get this lovely thing. There's our bothy. Someone has put some marvellous seats out in front of the bothy. Here's the bothy. Wow. There's something to make a fire if it's cold. Not a bad bothy at all. You get an incredible view. And a nice surface to cook your food.
We're polite enough not to have it with us, which is nice.
The nearest road's about 10 kilometres away, so
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.